season is about to set in, and millions of migratory birds are on their way to reach wintering grounds of Sindh. Migratory birds have flocked to the wetlands of Pakistan, southern province of Sindh in greater numbers every year. Among migratory birds, pelicans, mallards, cranes and waders stop in Pakistan on their way to and from Siberia. There are more than 33 wildlife sanctuaries and one national park in Sindh, which is home to more than 300 bird species. Every year, over 1 million birds migrate from Siberia, covering a grueling distance of 4,500 kilometers in search of moderate waters. Although their ultimate destination is in India, they make stopovers at various lakes and water reservoirs in Pakistan, mainly in Sindh province. Avoid the stinging winter of Siberia, every year millions of birds travel large distances to stay in warm Indian waters. But on their way back from March to April, while overflying and taking rest in Pakistan, they become easily targets of hunters and bird traders. Thousands of migratory birds are not only hunted but also caged for sale during this period every year. According to WWF, these birds not only help control the population of insects and some fish species, but also improve habitat for other wildlife. Sindh Wildlife Department has full authority to control sport hunting and to restrain poaching of wild birds and animals for trade purposes. Yet there has been a meager control observed against illegal poaching and hunting, especially against influential personalities who support this tradition. According to a survey stated by Sindh Wildlife Department, a number of 7,41,042 birds migrated to the wetlands of Sindh in 2019, and it is expected that this year also large number of birds will migrate to the wetlands of the Sindh. Migratory birds face a number of problems in Pakistan, which include habitat loss and degradation, pollution, illegal trade, and ruthless hunting. Since all migratory species are hunted in Pakistan and ducks are killed every year, the population of some duck species has drastically decreased. The experts urge the provincial governments to take necessary measures to protect the guest birds from overhunting, ensuring safe flying through Pakistan and resting on the lakes and ponds.